Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the moderator and nice to meet you to all participants of International Conference Science, Education and Technology ISET 2021 Universitas Negeri Semarang. My name is Batiar Arbi from UNES. My major is Arts Education and also I teach at UIN Sunan Kalijaga, Yogyakarta. Today I will present my research entitled about Festival Lima Gunung Magelang performance in the COVID-19 pandemic era. Okay. Introduction. Sutanto Mendut empower the formation of the Lima Gunung community in Magelang. The Lima Gunung community consists of artists from Mount Merapi, Merbabu, Andong, Sumbing, and Menor. The similarity of ideological paradigm between Lima Gunung artists as a small narrative discourses on the truth that is considered a general truth. The Lima Gunung Festival was first held in 2001. Organizing the Lima Gunung Festival without involving commercial sponsor and political interest. In the 2020 and 2021 edition, the Lima Gunung Festival will be held online because COVID-19 pandemic. Traditional arts in the village serve as a means of ritual and profane. The process of inheritance of this art takes place from generation to generation. Some of the ritual arts that inspired the formation of the Lima Gunung community, namely Suran with Wayang Wong and Kembar Mayang dance in Tutup Ngisor, Sungkem Telompak with campur arts in Kejayan, Nyadran Kali with Soreng arts in Warangan, Tumpeng Jongko with Jaran Papat arts in Matraman Wetan, Merti Dusun with Lengger arts in Krandegan. The Lima Gunung Festival is an international standard, with participants and spectators from different countries, religion, and culture. Has collaborated with M. Hahinu Najib, Wes Rendra, Sal Murgianto, Gunawan Muhammad, Yeni Wahid, Gus Yusuf, and nine others, and several prominent foreign artists and cultural figures. The process of inheriting the arts takes place naturally and is informal and non-formal. Art is an integral part of society that cannot be spared in everyday life. Certain creative capacity and cultural awareness according to the UNESCO Art Education Roadmap. This research includes textual and contextual studies. The research studies analyzes art from the perspective of art itself and art from the other perspective. Okay. Formulation of the problem. First, number one, how is the form of artistic expression of the Lima Gunung community Magelang in ritual and profane arts in the COVID-19 pandemic situation? Number two, what are the implications of the values of art education in representation of the ideology of the Lima Gunung community in Magelang? This is gallery of Festival Lima Gunung. Okay, next, this is my literature review. Ritual Profane Arts by Durkheim. Performance Studies by Setiawati Sudarsono and Subangga. Ethnomusicology by Alan Pemriam. Syncretism Islam by Clifford Geertz. Postmodernism Deconstruction by Derrida. Little Narrative by Lyotard. Ideology by Althusser. Discourses by Foucault. Hegemony by Gramsci. Post-colonialism by Edward Said. Arts Education by Ki Hajar Dewantara and Raos Kawruh Jiwa by Ki Ageng Surya Mataram. This is socio-histories arts in Indonesia. There are many influences that make arts in Indonesia unique. They are Hinduism, Buddhism, and Sufism Islam. Okay, next my method, my research approach, interdisciplinary approach, ethnomusicology, ideology, and education. My research design is case study at Lima Gunung Community, research location at Art Studio at Lima Gunung Community, research focus, ethnomusicology, ideology, and education studies. Type and source of data, primary data, the main members of the Lima Gunung community. Secondary data is documents, book, photos, and videos. Data collection, observation, interview, and document study. Data authenticity technique, credibility criteria with triangulation technique. Data analysis technique, data reduction, presentation, drawing conclusion. Okay, next, this finding of my research. The way to maintain tradition is to mimic tradition. It means arts with creativity with and makes contemporary art. Second, part-time farmer and full-time artist. Counterculture, counter-ideology, the small narrative of the Lima Gunung breaks the establishment. Jawa digowo, Arab digarap, Barat diruat in Javanese language. Village civilization, cultural values in the inherence of the Lima Gunung arts. Little Maya version, caring for tradition, diversity, and archipelago. Okay, this discussion, the Lima Gunung community is the basis for the struggle for contemporary urban art. Cities are not centers of civilization, and villages are true life. Criticism of the import of Western, Korean, Arabic, or any ideology that is absorbed only from the literal point of view of the text. Criticism of national hegemony that considers aristocratic arts and culture to be better than populist proletarian arts. Criticism of the ideology of colonialism which has a domineering character. Deconstruction of truths that are considered general truths. The collapse of big narratives that are hegemonic, domineering, and persuasive. Cultural subversion. It is necessary to have an alternative culture or a counterculture to the official and dominant culture that is reproduced and constructed by the state. Culture and politics in the case of colonialism have worked together, intentionally or not, to give birth to a system. Art can be a way to reach divine ecstasy. In the treasure of Islam, we know it means term Sufism, the essence of Makrifat. The Lima Gunung community may be ideal for learning together to understand the relationship between religions and strategic forum for the development of humanitarian discourses and harmony. All of the reasons above are correlate with the nature of art education, namely humanizing humans. Indonesia is memanusiakan manusia. Okay, conclusion. The Lima Gunung community is a forum for traditional artists from the Five Mountains in Magelang, considered proletarian and not part of elite culture. The Lima Gunung Festival is a representative of the art in the village and mountain communities, which was inspired by the activities of performing art for ritual purpose, which then also has a profane element. The artists who are members of the Lima Gunung community unwritten have a slight narrative relating to criticism of the import of Western ideology and national cultural hegemony. The process of inheriting art in the art studio belonging to the Lima Gunung artist occurs naturally and is non-formal. There are implications for the values of art education, both from the process of art inheritance and the implementation of the Lima Gunung Festival, which can become cultural capitalism, the context of local wisdom. Thank you. Thank you very much and see you